In this video, I will show you exactly how to outline text in Adobe Express using the words frame method to make your titles really pop off a screen. Creating high contrast text is essential for professional graphic design, and Adobe Express makes this process incredibly simple and intuitive. To get started, you need to have your project open and some text already typed out on your canvas. The first thing you want to do is navigate over to your workspace and click directly on the text box that you want to highlight. Once you click it, you will notice the Properties panel automatically slides open on the left side of your screen. This is where all the magic happens. Now, you should scroll down through the property options until you find the section labeled as Outline or Stroke. There is a simple toggle switch right there, so go ahead and flick that to the on position. You will see an immediate change, but we want to customize it to look perfect. Right next to that toggle switch, you will see a small color swatch box. Click on that box to open the color picker. From here, you can select any shade that matches your design or paste in a specific hex code to stay consistent with your brand colors. After you have the perfect color, it is time to get the size right. Just below the color options,